technology in USA. See the future of technology, discover the top tech trends. Tech companies are driving a living description or you are distributor or the distributed learn from how evolving. Cutting edge technology news powered by Northrop Grumman Tech New Sources. Find out where the intersections of technology, innovation, and creativity meet. Innovative science news types, news source of science, technology, engineering, math, environmental technology, futuristic technologies, engineering technology, environmental technology, scientific discoveries. Start your business evolution, start a digital transformation. Create the right strategy. Our business hacking service are strategically designed to uncover opportunities, uncovering non-traditional data driven ways to create new business value. June 9, 10 2021 future technology trends. Discover trend technologies and innovation with our digital innovation cloud 180 plus future trends. Top 9 new technology trends for 2021 simply learn. Artificial intelligence, all and machine learning, robotic process automation, RPA, edge computing, quantum. People ask, what is the latest technology in 2020? What new technology in coming out 2021? What are the latest technology? What are the latest trends in technology? What are 5 emerging technologies? Top 10 trending technologies must learn in 2021 Edurika. This blog on 10 top trending technologies includes some of the latest hot technologies that are expected to. Forbes the 7 biggest technology trends in the week. Everyone must extended reality is a catch-all terms that covers several new and emerging technologies being used to. Top future technologies in 2021 new technology 2021. New technology coming out in 2021. Top 10 trending technologies in 2021. Name of technology companies investing human augmentation, Neuralink, Google, Samsung, so everything as a service, XAS, HPC, Red Hat, VMware, AWS, Google Cloud, Microsoft Azure, cybersecurity, Cisco, Red Hat, IBM, artificial intelligence, Google, Apple, Amazon, IBM. Top 10 trending technologies must learn in 2021 America. People also ask, what technology should I learn in 2021? Which technologies will dominate in 2022? What was invented in 2021? Top 9 new technology trends from 2021. Simply learn. Top 9 technology trends 2021. Artificial intelligence and machine learning, robotic process automation, RPA, edge computing, quantum computing, virtual. Top future technologies in 2021. New technology, trending technologies, simple learn. Top new technology trends 2021 and beyond. More videos. Top business and technology trend in 2021 included.com. Top business and technology trends in 2021. Trend 1 drug development revolution with advanced COVID-19 test and vaccine development. Trend 2 continuous expansion of remote 9 technology trend rule 2021 and beyond. Xaver Corporation technology trends that will rule 2021 and beyond. 1.5G will go mainstream. The last few years have had enough to have hype around 5G and its impact, but in 2021 it may go real. The biggest technology Trends in 2021. Everyone must get ready for now. Fords. One, artificial intelligence, robotics, drone and vehicle automation, the, the as a service revolution, 5G and enhanced connectivity, extended reality. Did the taxi industry see the Uber model coming? Exactly. Decentralized identity will be an enabler of these new business models. Now all tax provided for the image decentralized identity. A tech that will invalidate our lives in 2021.